Hello students and welcome to yet another math class for Standard 4. Today I would like to first solve the worksheet given to you on the 24th, which is worksheet number 24. It was given to you on 24th 9 2020. Then we will solve the 6 sums which was given to you on the 22nd along with the video. Let's move on to the first sum. 20 into 3h. If I were to talk about this sum in simple English, it would be 20 into 3h, which is 300. That's 20 into 300. So to get the answer, what we will do is first we will count the number of zeros. There are 3 zeros here. Let's write those 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we are left with only 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. So our answer of 20 into 3h is 6000. The next sum, 40 into 50. Once again, let's count the number of zeros. There is 1 and 2 zeros. So let's write the 2 zeros. Now we are left with 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5s are 20. So 40 into 5 is 2000. Let's move on to the next sum. 800 into 60. Once again, let's count the number of zeros. There are 3 zeros here. Let's write 3 zeros first. Now we have to multiply 8 with 6. 6 8s are 48 or 8 6 are 48. The answer is same whichever way you multiply 8 into 6 or 6 into 8. The next sum, 35 into 200 is 30 plus 5 into 200 or 30 into 200 plus 5 into 200. Once again we'll count the number of zeros. There's 1, 2 and 3 zeros. And there's 1 and 2 zeros. So we wrote the 3 zeros here, and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and these 2 zeros we wrote over here of this one, and 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So the answer of 35 multiplied by 200 is 6000 plus 1000, that is horizontal addition. 6 plus 1 7. 7h into 2. H is 100. That's 700 into 2. Count the number of zeros. Write these 2 zeros in the answer. 7 2s are 14. Our answer of 7h into 2 is 1400 or 1400, whichever way. The next sum, 200 into 300, sorry, 20 into 300. We've already solved this before. Count the number of zeros. 3 zeros. Let's write 3 zeros in the answer. Now we are left with 2 into 3, which is 6. Next sum, 600 into 30. Once again, let's count the number of zeros. 3 zeros, right? 3 zeros. We're left to multiply 6 with 3. 6 3s are 18. The next sum, 900 into 20. 3 zeros. Let's write 3 zeros. And now we are left to multiply 9 with 2. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. That's our final answer, the product. 18,000 is the product. The ninth one, this is going to be a little tricky for us. I explained that in the answer we always count the number of zeros. So 15 into something will give you 30,000. I know that 15 multiplied by 2 is 30. We'll do division in the next topic, but 15 multiplied by 2 is 30. So what number do I have to, what kind of numbers or digits do I have to put along with 2 to get 30,000? How many zeros are there here? There are 3 zeros. So I'll put the 3 zeros over here, and when I multiply, they will automatically come in this place. So it will be 15 into 2000 is equal to 30,000. 15 twos are 30. So that means the number that I require here This is the number that is going to come in the final answer, 2000. Now if we check, there's 3 zeros, that's 3 zeros, and 15 multiplied by 2 is 30. So my answer is 2000 in the blank space. The last sum is 600 into 42. That's 600 into 40 plus 600 into 2. Count the number of zeros in the first part. There are 3 zeros. Let's write the 3 zeros down. 1, 2, 3. Let's put the 3 zeros down. And 6 fours are 24. Plus, I'll write the number of zeros that are there in this part over here. There are 2 zeros. And I'm left to multiply 6 multiplied by 2. That is 12. Horizontal method of addition, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2 is 2, and 4 plus 1 is 4. Sorry, 4 plus 1 is 5, and since there's nothing to add with the 10,000s, I'm going to bring the 2 down as it is. So 24,000 plus 1,200 is 25,200. Now these are the sums that I gave you on the 22nd along with the video. You all should know your 12 time table or your 8 times table. That's 8 12s are 96, but we'll work it out the lattice method so you'll understand the procedure of how it's done. 10 plus 2 is 12 multiplied by 8. Draw the box, put the multiplication sign. The multiplicand is 2 digits. We'll write 10 and 2. The multiplier is 8, one single digit. So 8 tens are 80 and 8 twos are 16. Let's add the numbers in the white boxes. 80 plus 16. Let's see how much is that. 80 plus 16. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. 12 8s are 96. The second sum, 25 into 9. 20 plus 5 multiplied by 9. Draw the box. Put the multiplication sign. Multiplicand is 20 and 5. Multiplier is 9. 9 twos are 18 and 9 zeros are 0. That's 180. 9 fives are 45. Add the numbers in the white box. 180 plus 45. 5 plus 0 is 5. 18 and 4 is 22. If you're multiplying it in single rows, then 8 plus 4 is 12. We have carried over 1 and we have written 2 in the tens place, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 25 multiplied by 9 is 225. The third sum, 86 multiplied by 5 is 80 plus 6 multiplied by 5. So 80 is 6 in the multiplicand, 5 is the multiplier, 8 fives are 40 and you add a 0 at the end, 6 fives are 30. Now add the two numbers in the white boxes, 400 plus 30, simple 430. That's our answer, 86 multiplied by 5. The product is 430. The fourth sum. This is where I gave you 2 digits multiplied by 2 digits. Let's break it up as 30 plus 7 multiplied by 10 plus 5. Let's write the multiplicand 30 and 7, the multiplier 10 and 5. Now, once again, 0 and 0, this count the number of zeros, write the number of zeros, two zeros over here, and 3 ones are 3, that's 300. 10 into 7 is 70. 1 0 to multiply with this, with the second lower digit. 5 multiplied by 0 0, and 5 3s are 15, that's 150, and 7 5s are 35. Let's add the 4 numbers in the white boxes. 300 plus 150 plus 70 plus 35. Add it in the working column at the side. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 7 and 3 is 10, 10 and 5 is 15. Write 5 in the units place and carry over 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 37 multiplied by 15, the product is 555. The fifth sum, 40 plus 1 multiplied by 10 plus 4. Count the number of zeros, 1 and 2. Let's add 2 zeros over here first. And then 4 ones are 4, that's 400. 10 ones are 10. Now 4 multiplied by 40. 4 fours are 16 and add a 0 at the end. And 4 ones are 4. Again, we'll add the 4 numbers in the white boxes. 400 plus 160 plus 10 plus 4. Ensure that you'll write all the numbers. Do the working at the side. Four plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So our answer of 41 multiplied by 14 is 574. The last sum, 60 plus 8 multiplied by 10 plus 2. We'll write the multiplication on the top box horizontally, 68. We'll write the multiplier from top to bottom vertically, 10 and 2. 10 into 60, number of zeros, 2 zeros, 6 ones are 6, that's 600. 10 into 8 is 80. 2 into 60 is 120. And 2 8s are 16. Let's add these 4 numbers. That's 600 plus 120 plus 80 plus 16. Do the working column at the side. Let's add these numbers. 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 in the units place. Carry over 1. And 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So that means 68 multiplied by 12 is 816. I would like that you solve all these sums correctly. If you have not done it correctly, there is no problem. Erase what you have done and solve it again by taking the help of this video. Do not copy the sums, but solve it by yourselves. And if after the second time you have still made a mistake, understand how the working is done. Once you understand, it will be very easy. All the best. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Thank you.